With all the love with the referee show Nigeria, with all the love with the Ghanaian referee show Nigerians, we see carry that AFCON thrown for side bush. Thrown inside bush. It's 0 goal attempt. Now they were saying the referee.
And guys, that's exactly what Nigerians are saying. They are all over the internet right now blaming Ghanaians for what they do not know anything about.
Wait, look at Nigerians complain about the performance of the referee. Sagawele, that was a 10/10 performance. That was a masterclass display of refereeing. What are you talking about? What exactly are you talking about? Are you better than the referee? Do you know better than CAF that appointed him to spearhead the match? Do you have CAF referee license? Do you have it? When you took those decisions on the field of play, why you not enter your TV, go tell them, say, nah, this one, yeah, I disagree. Bro, you lost. You took the L. You've been booted out. No AFCON for you. No AFCON trophy for you. Take your L and bounce. Take it and bounce. There is absolutely nothing you can do about it. You see all the performative bullshit nonsense that people did on social media. When you people heard it was a Ghanaian that was going to officiate the match, they started creating videos, making it look like they like Ghanaians and things. I mean, it was for the humor aspect of the whole thing. But please, that referee delivered like a midwife. There is nothing you can do about it. You want to come and win AFCON for here? For here? Bro, hey, get out of here.
As for me, if I would say, opportunity has been given to them and they misuse the opportunity. So please, Nigerians, carry the cross, okay? Don't try putting blames on people that do not know anything. Yes, it's time for you to start taking responsibility for everything that happened to you because you were in the position to make it happen, but you choose not to win. Yeah. Who was there with you? There's nothing anybody would tell me. Well, guys, let's get right into the video. But before we watch, I would love to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super happy to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do what to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's get right into it.
Chai! With all the love with the referee show Nigeria, with all the love with the Ghanaian referee show Nigerians, we see carry that AFCON thrown for side bush. Thrown inside bush. It's 0 goal attempt. Now they were saying the referee. If you come and comment second say the referee, I go knock your I go take and knock your forehead. Cause that referee don't do everything he can that a brother can do for another brother, and I don't do for you. So wait till you carry that thing, do it, carry that thing, do it, carry that thing, do. Kwasia. Hey, with the Morocco first get penalty. Nigerian boy take carry hand, take carry football. He carry hand, carry the ball like this. Where the referee see him, referee blow like say no see him. He carry one, come on, I say no see him, no green blow. Like he blow, they go don't win the match long time. And 1-0 they go win put. You don't already support Nigeria already. Nigeria don't get upper hand. But still, no goal. 0 goal. 0 goal attempt. You're going to say, Ghanaians don't like us. Ghanaians don't like us. This is the act of love. The act of love. What your brother wanted you until brother come out in head, carry give for your hand. Say, okay, I love you. You can't believe that I love you. God. Why don't you say no go World Cup? We won't carry AFCON house. At least we lose, we win. But we lost both of them. Nigeria, diamond, then they disappoint. Diamond, it's very diamond like this, then they disappoint you. Nigeria. My Ghanaian people, now thank you. That referee, God bless you. You don't try your part. Imo ajobo, nyamishirao, yes. Thank you. God bless Nigeria. God bless Ghana. Ghana Nigeria Presido until 2030 again.
Right?
as a Nigerian, like I am a Nigerian and I'm proud of my country. And I'm not like whatever happens right now on this football, like whatever happens right now, I don't really care. We've tried our best, we've given our best, even the penal, even the referee is kind of, I don't know, he's one sided. I should say that Ghanaian referee is one sided, and whatever he's done is on him. But because I'm proud of my country, whatever happens on this penalty, I really don't mind, and I'm so proud that to say as a Nigerian playing semi final, right? I'm really very, very happy, and I say kudos to the team, to Super Eagles. I'm very, very grateful to them. Whatever happens, we'll see what happens. I don't really care what happens at this point. I don't care. I know that whatever happens, we've done our best. But see that referee is going to have his own cup of tea. Let's see what Ghana will do for World Cup. They're not going to do anything. They want to get to they want to do play the first quarter of the World Cup. They won't. The referee is just a nasty man. I will use that word nasty. He's a nasty man.
Ani azwiyeli aoga ganalan. I'm an friend no Shatta, aka Kwado. That is my name.
I'm an friend no Afualine. A friend name Ado. I'm an friend Shatta, aka Black Sheriff Sakoje.
I'm an friend Mensa Kumasi.
Please, as a new Ghanaian, between Nigerian jollof and Ghana jollof, which one do you prefer?
My brother, I promise you that it is Ghana Jollof.
Ghana jollof
Ghana
is
jollof
the best in Africa,
the best
in the world. How about you? Ghana jollof.
I'm a Ghana jollof.
Ghana jollof.
Jollof.
Ghana jollof is the best
Jollof.
jollof.
MLF Ghana jollof.
Me love Ghana jollof. Ghana jollof.
Ghana Jollof.
Ghana jollof.
Ghana Jollof.
Yeah. So, our Ghanaian brothers,
Yes, brother.
tomorrow,
We are all black.
we are one. We are one.
we are
Kumasi
one.
to Akara to Abuja.
I'm not from Greater Accra.
Yeah.
Akwaba.
Lower Accra. Kumasi na kureme.
Me na Kumasi.
Yeah. So we are one.
Aflawo.
We are one. We speak one language. We
One.
support one
We
God.
one.
We are one Africa. We are one Africa. We are all black.
We black.
I mean, I love Ghana.
And I love Ghana. Ghana, I love. One time.
Who is your favorite artist in
Jesus.
the world?
Shatta Wale. Hey, we taking over. We dey go Ghana. We taking over. We dey go Ghana. Sergeant Lee. Hey,
Between Shatta Wale and Davido.
Jesus Christ, who be David? I'm not friend of David Magoloya. Yeah, Shatta Wale.
Best artist.
Blackbone.
Black Sheriff.
One corner.
Pop can.
Popcan. Stoneboy.
So now, South Africa assistant referee. We are all South Africa. I'm a piano.
No. Mother side. I'm a piano.
Uncle sister side. South Africa.
Yeah.
Sorry, South Africa. Ghana. South Africa. Kum. See. Abego.
As you can see, we support Ghana.
I'm no more Nigerian.
Yes, please.
Nigeria does not
Cape Town.
one love.
W's.
One love Ghana.
W's
Ghana.
Hey!
W's Ghana on the chart. W's Ghana on the chart.
Share the live and come.
Akwaba.
See you tomorrow.
To my Nigerian brothers, when I told you Ghana will eliminate you from the AFCON, you didn't ask how. You were there celebrating and Ghana did not qualify. Why are you crying today? I told you from the beginning that you will face Ghana in the AFCON. You were like, oh, how you didn't qualify. Oh, how you didn't qualify. So why are you crying today? Please, we don't know how to play, but we know what to whistle. Today, qualify, make we see. Qualify, make we see. So this referee, Charlie, today, he did want to let go. Finish it. Do what? Finish it. Just one penalty. They leave the rest for Morocco. If they score, no goal. If they fool, red card. Destroy everything. If you don't know, you this referee, Nigeria qualified. Don't come back to Ghana. Don't come back. You hear me? So Nigeria plays, we are going to be fair. We will not give them plenty penalty, just two. Which will I do? Penalty. Then if Nigeria, if you do this, go back. So Nigeria, you now believe in Ghana. So they need to humble yourself. If you see in here, your hand there with a mouth inside. If you knock when you go bite them. So but regardless, yeah, you know Ghana is always been fair. We are fair people. We are fair. So I'm not going to be too harsh on you. Call it for me, see. You know, me say you go have caught. Now, if Ghana score, South Africa, if Ghana allow you to score, South Africa bag will call and say, hey, my friend. Nigeria, you go first score 3. South Africa no go green. Ghana go first also okay. You know, we are brothers. Allow them to go. Hey, you're crazy. Come on, my money for now. Offside. So Charlie, today there. 2-on-1. Charlie, this one say you go check like tag team. They watch wrestling. You go see how them. Then this one come. This one. So please, South Africa and Ghana referees. Just finish the thing on the pitch. Leave the rest for me. You go finish them.
If I am to choose who I want to play in the final between Senegal and Egypt, I will choose Egypt. I want Egypt. I don't know about you, but me, I want Egypt. Is it in Senegal? Egypt, do everything within your power. Do everything within your power to remove Senegal for me. I will give you something in the final. I will give you silver. But anyways, Senegal, Egypt is going to be a tough game. Very, very tough game. Senegal is very strong, right? I wouldn't put it past them to defeat Egypt today. For me, they are the favorites to win this match, right? I feel like they are the favorites to win, but I'm rooting for Egypt. I want Egypt to come to the final because if we beat Morocco, I feel like Egypt is going to be an easier task for us than Senegal. Senegal is going to be it's going to be a very, very fierce battle. They are very, very physical. They are very strong. They are very solid, right? They are very, very technical also. They have very, very good midfielders. They have very good defenders. Koulibaly, the engine room. They have a wonderful goalkeeper in Mendy. They have a very solid attack. Jackson, Mane. You know, they have very good team. Same as us too. We have a very, very good team, right? Going into this competition. So I don't want to meet Senegal. I want to meet Egypt. Then Nigeria, Morocco, everybody knows that, you know, we have a task ahead of us in this game. Morocco is a very, very good team. They've shown that they can be very physical if they want to. They've shown that they can be very technical if they want to. They have everything within their reach, you know, to win today's match. But I believe that with the way we've been playing, we've been the best team in the AFCON. And I believe that we didn't just come this far to come and go home. It's not possible. Right? I know that the boys are very, very fired up against, you know, Morocco. We've been very, very good against Algeria and Tunisia. And based on how we played against Algeria and Tunisia, I feel like we can handle Morocco. You know, in terms of physicality, I think we're stronger than them. Right? Physically, I think we're stronger than them. Also, in terms of technicality, Iwobi has been showing some very, very, you know, wonderful passes from the midfield. Victor Osimhen, very solid in attack. If we can create chances for him, I am 100% expecting to score goals in today's match. Akko Adams also can give us, you know, wonderful goals. Ademola Lookman, one of the best players in the tournament so far. I think that this is the kind of match where he needs to show himself, right? In that number 10 pocket. I'm expecting a wonderful matchup in these two matches. I'm expecting an exciting and entertaining game, end-to-end stuff. I don't expect any team to sit back and park the bus against anybody in these matches. So I'm also expecting that there will be goals, right? Both teams score in both matches is very, very possible. Anyways, like you always know, I drop all my predictions in my Telegram. So you can just click the link in my bio, join my Telegram so I can get all the predictions of today's matches.